yet another try. So I'm Bruce, and today what we're going to be doing is comparing the audio inputs from 3 different devices. First, it will be recording directly to the microphone on my DSLR, a Canon 7D. Secondly, we're going to be recording onto a Zoom H4n Pro, and you should be hearing that now. And third, obviously we're not hearing that now, we're going to be recording onto a Rode Videomic. And now we're recording on the Rode Videomic, and you can compare that to the Zoom H4n Pro. I hope this helps.